real celebration of Meenakshi's Pattabhishekam is reviving Meenakshi's kingdom ecosystem. What Meenakshi did should be revived. That is the real celebration of Meenakshi Pattabhishekam. Paramashiva and Meenakshi manifested Kailasa as a celebration, real celebration of Meenakshi Pattabhishekam by reviving Meenakshi's kingdom, ruling 3 worlds, Tribhuvanas, based on Dharmashastras. So all beings move towards cosmic dharma, Paramadvaita Satya, Paramadvaita Anubhuti.